As a parent, it can be a challenging task to prioritize your child's music practice with a busy schedule. Having a set time for practice each day will help embed a routine, and you'll find that you no longer have to remind your child to practice. Also, try breaking up practice into small sessions. Instead of one long practice session, break it up into 2 or 3 shorter sessions throughout the day. Setting goals is another great way to maintain consistency. These goals can be short-term or long-term, and they should be achievable and exciting for your child. As your child gets older, encourage them to become more independent in their music practice. This will help them develop a sense of responsibility and pride over their music education. Technology can be a useful tool as well for prioritizing music practice. There are many apps and online resources available that can help your child stay organized and motivated. Ask your teacher about the Practice Space app. Practicing music with a friend or family member can make it easier to prioritize for your child. Assist your child in finding a practice buddy who plays the same instrument or who enjoys playing music in general. It's also essential to check in with your children about what gets them excited about music lessons. Encouraging your children to speak positively about their activities will manifest into engagement and motivation. Finally, celebrate your child's success. This will help them stay motivated and feel proud of their achievements. Prioritizing music practice with a busy schedule requires a plan and commitment. Learn more through our latest blog post and sign up for your free lesson at the California Conservatory of Music.